Hello everybody, and welcome to Doc Chuggin Does Math. Here's that scary picture of myself. Thank you, student. Alright, so we're working with another example of a real-world problem involving a linear graph. This one's a little smaller, a little easier to work with. So Sarah plants a seed. After 2 weeks, the height of the plant, h centimeters, is given by the equation h is equal to 2t. Graph the relationship between t and h. Use 1 unit on the horizontal axis to represent 1 week and 1 unit on the vertical axis to represent 2 centimeters. So, the most important part of this sentence is the last. This question is the last sentence. Use 1 unit on the horizontal axis. So 1 to represent 1 week. That means this bottom here is time. T weeks. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6. 1 unit on the vertical axis represents 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 6, 8, 10, 12 centimeters. So, the vertical axis is height, h centimeters. Alright, boys and girls, time to party. So, I know, based on this graph, that there is a point, or this table, that there is a point at 1, 2. That's right here. There's a point at 2, 4. That's right there. There's a point at 3, 6. And that goes there. So, I've got enough points to draw a line. Technically, and this is something that you encounter in geometry, you only need 2 points to draw a line because the line is the closest distance between 2 points. Pretty sweet. Alright, in 0 weeks, 0 goes right there because we have a height of nothing. Our plant does not exist yet. It is in seed form. In 1 week we sprouted, and then we slowly grow till we get to 4 weeks. In 4 weeks we are 8 centimeters tall. And in 5 weeks we've grown another 2 inches to a total height of 10 centimeters. How cool is that? What type of graph is this? That's right, it's a linear graph. You rock. What is the height of the plant after 3 weeks? Well, here's 3 weeks. Here's 3 weeks. We were 6 centimeters tall. After 5 weeks, we were 10 centimeters tall. What is the height of the plant if less than 4 weeks have passed? So, less than 4 weeks. That means 4 weeks, or 3 weeks, or 2 weeks. Well, it doesn't actually mean 4. Technically, that's an open circle because it's less than 4. So it's 3, 2, or 1, or less. That means that it is 8 or less inches tall. So, we're talking about h. H has to be less than 8 centimeters. I said inches earlier. Name the dependent and independent variables. Well, the dependent variable is the one that's up and down, the vertical one, or the one on the bottom of our table, or the one by himself in the equation. The dependent variable then is h, 4 centimeters. The independent variable is t, 4 weeks. That's right. M-A-T-H. Math!